Windows 11 becomes significantly faster, cleaner, safer, and more productive when these settings are optimized properly. Even on unsupported PCs, changing these settings can noticeably improve the overall experience. Windows 11 comes with a lot of settings that are on by default. Most make sense, but there are some annoying ones and some that you probably don't need at all. In this video, I'm going to show you which settings you should probably change right away. Let's go. Right-click on the Windows button and go to Settings. Select Personalization and click on Start. In here, turn off to keep these dialog boxes neat and clean. The next thing you want to do in Windows 11 is to disable these annoying notifications. To get rid of all these, select Privacy and Security. Let's start with speech. Turn off online speech recognition. Next, we'll go to inking and typing personalization. Next up in Privacy and Security is App Permissions. An app on your computer may require specific access to function properly, like to your physical location, to your camera, microphone, and other devices. Now, that may make sense for some apps, but definitely not for all. So, if you want more privacy and you prefer to keep your data and settings local, then switching to a local account may be an option for you. Click it and follow the steps in the window that pops up. And no worries, you're not going to lose any local data by switching. Okay, so that's it for today.